Hey there, tech lovers! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Alex, and today we're talking about something we've all been waiting for, the official release of iOS 18. Apple's dropping it soon, so before you hit that update button, there are some key things you need to know to make sure your iPhone is ready for the new software. Let's start with the big question. When is iOS 18 coming out? Mark your calendars for September 16th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. That's when Apple is officially rolling out iOS 18. However, the exact time may vary depending on your region, so keep an eye on those notifications. Wondering if your iPhone is compatible? Here's the good news. If you're currently running iOS 17, iOS 18 will be available for your device too. So starting from the iPhone XS and newer, you're good to go. Now let's talk about update size. iOS 18 is packed with new features, so it's going to take up a bit of space. Depending on your current iOS version and iPhone model, the size can vary. To be safe, I recommend freeing up at least 10 to 12 GB of storage. That way you'll have plenty of room for the update to run smoothly. If you're using an older iPhone model, keep in mind that some of the more advanced features in iOS 18 may not be available. For instance, features like the enhanced dark mode will be supported across all compatible devices. But Apple Intelligence, one of iOS 18's standout features, will only be available on the iPhone 15 Pro and newer models. In terms of features, you'll notice new customization options, a redesigned Siri UI, and useful mail tools like email and notification summaries. But here's the catch: Apple Intelligence, the feature everyone's buzzing about, won't debut until iOS 18.1 in October. So you'll have to wait a bit longer to get your hands on it. Speaking of Siri, Apple has made it smarter and more intuitive in iOS 18, but the more complex features like on-screen awareness will also come in later updates. Now, let's tackle one of the most common concerns: battery life. From my experience with the iOS 18 beta, battery performance has been solid. However, if your battery health is below 90%, you might notice some lagging or heating issues. Make sure your iPhone's battery is in good condition to enjoy the best experience. Performance-wise, iOS 18 has been running smoothly on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I haven't experienced any major lags or crashes. In fact, it's more stable than some previous iOS versions, so you shouldn't expect any major performance hits after updating. Alright, now for the fun part, updating your iPhone. First, make sure your device has at least 50% battery life before you begin. You'll also need enough free storage space, as I mentioned earlier. Then, simply head to the Settings app, tap General, then Software Update, and refresh the page. You'll see iOS 18 waiting for you. Just tap Download and Install. And that's it, folks. Those are the key things you should know before upgrading to iOS 18. Got any questions or concerns? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Oh, and while you're down there, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you're always up to date with the latest iOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.